Massive quality of life update inside of Volleyball Legends. Let's actually check this new update out because they just released it and I'm very excited to redeem all these new and working codes from the Volleyball Legends team. They also did a massive lucky spins handout 1 hour before the update dropped. If you missed that, that is bad. That is pretty. I'm sorry for you, okay? I'm just sorry for you that you missed the lucky free spins gift out. You can actually find these. You can actually get these events by joining the Discord server inside of Volleyball Legends. New update 24. What is going on inside of this brand new update? Let's see. Pit UI changes, ranked history, update history, balancing misc changes. It's a massive quality of life update. Let's actually show you every single working code. The first code is going to be 00k underscore, wait, 00k underscore members, 00k underscore members, which actually translates to 900,000 members. This lucky spin code will grant you 5 lucky spins, which is super amazing. Everybody deserves 5 lucky spins. The developers were gifting free lucky spins as well before the update, and you can actually join up in those events if you follow the update. The next code is going to be date underscore 24 update 24 update 24. Don't miss out on any future codes. Sub up, like the video right now, and also if you would like to have yourself the extra slots for your styles, you can actually comment down below volleyball. Comment down below volleyball. Very simple. If you comment volleyball, I'll be gifting you a slot. 3 winners for today's video. The next code is going to be LOL QOL QLOL, quality of life code. New quality of life code inside of Volleyball Legends, which is super exciting. Let's actually go ahead and redeem the final code. 5 lucky spins. W update